Hello, a very good evening. It's me, Binja Kate, Globe. So I'm taking rest at Papuna because it was raining heavily. After a while, I'll move out from this depot. Raining. Light went off, so I'm going to move out. Okay, done. Look at this. Due to the raining, so protect from drizzling this raining. Okay. When the raining comes in Itanagar, all this hilly road used to get blocked. So because of this, we face many problems in Itanagar. During the rainy season has caused many problems. It stops the garbage and other things. Movement of the vehicles. This halab is called slippery. My advice is that while you are in Arunachal Pradesh, please do not travel at the midnight or in the evening when it is the summer season or rainy season. So you might stuck at any time or anywhere. So please avoid traveling. You can see that. Good evening. Actually, I went to my third friend. I didn't get her. Okay. She's playing Naharlagun, so I can be there. So staying there only for a while, for hours. So again it started raining in Itanagar. And here for this weather is it's like the behavior of the gets angry at any time, anywhere. It's like what that weather also. You can't predict. Okay. Whenever our state hero, let Yama Pardon, for memory for the big year. Which situated in 6 kilometers. Now we have reached the Todo Hotel. June. City of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. This is the most famous college, which is called DNGC Itanagar, which is under Vivid Bihar. They wrote this to the college DNGC. I'm a past video of the DNGC college. So if I pass through this way or this road, okay. So I thought I would go back and study there, but for me there is no more sense. Feeling so cold due to the heavy rain. It caused cold. Okay, I will take tea when I reach my rented home. I will be taking tea. I wish someone could make a tea for me and give me. Now we are about to head towards Thimphu. This is the KB2 road. After KB2 we will be reaching at the Thimphu. Okay. So very cold. I can't say anything due to the coldness. The cold, open cold is before me. Right before. Useless thing is that. This is the Thimphu country. We reach at the Thimphu country here. Hello. I already reached 10 minutes ago at my rented home, so I already took bath and fresh up. Everything have been done. So though if I took bath, everything has been done, but I look nothing fresh. Okay, my skin is like that only. So after this, I'm going to prepare a dinner for myself, for my younger brother, and for my brother. Okay.